turning on and trying to cook with the Temu grill. Luckily for us, we got a bomb squad type dog here, the Malinois, to protect us from this damn thing. So let's fire up together, shall we? Valve. It's pretty seized up. Oh, let me pause this and I'll get it open. Grill lit. No explosions yet. Betty Boop, the Malinois, says it's okay so far. So let's keep on checking it out. It's getting heat, and we close it up, it'll start heating up a little bit for us here. That'd be nice. Wow, this thing is pretty cool. Any leaks? Nothing I can find. Okay, well, we are getting some heat up. Let's go grab our food and throw her on there. I'll be right back with the food getting on it. This grill heats up fast. It's already at 700 degrees. Let's kick this thing down a few notches. Honestly, that's crazy. That's a lot of heat. Sheesh. All right. So make sure it's cleaned off. Don't want any freaking explosions or any dirt on my food. Clean this guy off. Oh yeah. Alright, by the way, always use one of these. Don't use the metal ones, or you always have metal in your body. And you won't be a happy man of that. Look at that. Comes right off on the thing. Clean. Alright. Grill back shut. Let's get our chicken. Over 900 degrees in this damn grill. That's impressive. I think I believe that story, but hey. It's searing that chicken up good. Holy hell. That's impressive right there. It smells good out here too. I'm gonna open this grill up, let some of the heat out of there. I want to destroy my chicken. I just want to cook it up a little bit. Wow, wow, wow. That is some Temu type shit right there. Holy shit, Temu. Alright, we're back to you guys when chicken's cooked off so I can cut it up for shish kebabs. Alright, see y'all after that cut. Alright, we got the first chicken off. Looks good, it tastes good. There's the second piece of chicken right here. We're just using this to defrost it while basting it on with our special custom base we're going to use for it. Give it that tangy island flavor. We're just doing a basic pineapple and chicken kebab on our metal skewers right here. Nothing too crazy, but it will be delicious. It's going to be a slightly spicy base too. But yeah, this is the Temu grill. It's doing pretty good so far. It just gets really hot for no damn reason. But other than that, it's a decent grill. Works good. These guys on low. These guys on a little bit higher than low. Yeah, look at that. Still 300 goddamn degrees. I don't know what China's doing over there, but dude, their grill's insane. I don't know how the hell they do it, but what the hell is that? This grill gets like a 3 billion degrees. Bruh. Winnie the Pooh makes good grills, bro. Gigi Ping over there? Hell yeah, dude. Isn't that right, Boop? She agrees, I think. Look at her. Mm-hmm. See what's for explosions. Just trying to smell propane. Alright, see you guys in the next cut. Alright. We got the first 2 kebabs on the thing. Looking good as hell. Look at that. Yummy. 2 kebabs. The other chicken. This is gonna be delicious. Smells good as hell too. That damn base I made. Woo, dude. Delicious. Alright, get back to you guys when we have the next kebabs on the thing. Hell yeah. And now we got all 4 kebabs on the grill. Grilling up. It's almost time to chow down. I'll see y'all when they're all done. And this is the finished product off the Bing Bong Temu grill. Alright, that's the end of this episode for this week. See y'all next time. Keep throwing knuckles, keep throwing wrenches, and have a good day. Bye.